Hello, hi, my name's Elaine Sewell and I'm independent Stampin Up demonstrator. Yeah, I should have done this unboxing ages ago, but we had quite a heat wave and my working space is very hot and I didn't get to do that, but they say it's never too late to do an unboxing. So here I am doing this today. So bear with me and stay to the end. I know it's been a while. So I'm going to open up this box. So, wow, I've got some stuff. So, I'm going to put the box to the side and I'm just going to pick some stuff out and just check it out with me. Tell me what you like. Make a comment. I know I'm not perfect, but right now we got some lovely Christmas paper. Tell me what you'd like me to make with any of this, I love making 3D projects, cards and everything like that, but, it's interesting. Oh, this is beautiful. Can you see it? This is quite beautiful. So we can get starting to make some Christmas cards. So if you want to come and join me, just click the subscribe button and tell me what you think. Tell me what this is called. Tidings of Christmas. 6x6. And for those who are beginners and not sure, it tells you also about the colour paper that goes with this actual Christmas paper. So, if you're not sure, that's what you need to buy. So it's just sunny, quite sunny here today in my loft. Let's bring some that down. Hope it's not too dark. This is called Happy Holidays. I can't wait to use that and stamp in colour because I didn't get really much this time round. Happy Holidays. What else did I get? Oh, Encircled in Warm Christmas. This has got really good, what I like about it is the script. So this is really going to be cool when I do some embossing. I can see some great embossing with that. Oh, wow, love it, love it, love it. Oh, this is really cute. It's called Bedazzling, this one. Oh, look at that. This one's called Bedazzling. Oh, I can see some of the stuff that I'm going to make with this. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to try this one out. Tell me what you think. Leave some comments. I'd be excited to hear what you think. I know I did get some. This is to go with that Happy Holidays. I think it's a kit. I like punches. I like to decorate things with punches. So and I've got some free stuff. I've got some free stuff as well. well, you probably don't know if you're visiting me for the first time. Snowflakes. This is the Windows Wonderful Snowflakes. You can pop those out and oh, oh. As I said, I didn't really get so much stuff this time, but I thought I'd show you what I have. Some embellishments. This is the matte decorative dots. Oh my goodness. Oh really, this is really lovely, beautiful paper. What do you think of that? Oh, I've got to get it out. This one's called the Peaceful Place. And I tell you, this is really, really lovely Christmas paper. You've got to see what it looks like. It looks so gorgeous. It's so gorgeous and sparkly. Oh wow. Don't you just love that? Don't you just love that paper? It's beautiful. It's beautiful. The paper's beautiful. And then I got some silver foil. I want some silver foil because I do like bling. I really do like bling. So, as I said, I didn't really get that much this time. But if you'd like to see me make some cards, just make a comment or make a comment. Oh, it just looks nice, doesn't it? Look nice and shiny. Oh my gosh. This is, as I said, silver foil. You get three sheets in the pack, so you get this steel looking, and then the matte, and then and just this silver. So it looks really gorgeous. We are next week. You will be able to order out the catalogue, but if you want to order out before, as I said, this is Sale-A-bration, where you can, if you spend £45, you can get some free stuff. And one of the free stuff I managed to get is this counting sheet. You're amazing. So you can £45 would be with that. That was one of the free items, and to go with it, I got some dies. So, as I said, subscribe. Hit that subscribe button, and just if you want to be notified, hit that bell. And when I go on next on YouTube, YouTube, you will be able to see what I'm up to, or if you're interested in what I'm making, or as I said, I don't mind you letting me know what you'd like to see. That'd be great. Oh, sheet dye. Oh, it looks gorgeous. It looks gorgeous, doesn't it? Yeah. So I can see myself making a few cards with that. So that goes together. And I got some joy felt, which I used something similar like this last year, so I can see myself doing some stuff with this joy felt. Tell me what you think I could do with that. And the beautiful Christmassy colours. Yeah, I've used this on die cutting, so yes, you can use it on your die cut. So this is the joy felt. And this, the Enriched Circle Beauty Dies, that goes with that as I said, the encircle warmth. So I can see myself making a few things with this item as well. Yeah. I can see myself making a few things with this item as well. So that's the encircle warmth and the die. With that, I did get some embellishments. Let's open that up. See what we've got here. Oh, look at those. Can you see? It's lovely. Up close with my nail varnish right now, which is looking really terrible. Oh gosh, I'm making a mess. So I should be able to make a few nice things with that. Let's check out this wonderful snowflakes again. Let's take this out of the packet. Oh, yes. Look at that. See, I was making a few things cards with that. And this one's called the Wonderful Snowflakes. As I said, currently we are running, this is the new mini catalogue. This runs from July to December, so I can't open it right now, but after the 3rd of August you'll be able to order from this catalogue. Sale-A-bration, well, as I said, if you spend £45 from either the main catalogue or from this mini catalogue, well, as I said, you can't order from the mini catalogue yet, but if you want to join my team, there's a link below. You can get that, but as I said, you would have to hurry. I mean, I've left it to the last minute. As you here, this Sale-A-bration, this is running from the 3rd of August to the 30th of September. And you can, by spending £45, you can get some free stuff. But as I said, I can't open them yet until the 3rd of August. So drop me a line, send me an email. You'll find some links below. And if you want to get in touch, you can drop me an email, or you can send or subscribe to my blog and a newsletter. Give it a go, you know. But if there's anything you like, or you want any advice or anything like that, do not hesitate to contact me. Thank you for watching. Thank you for taking the time to like. Tell me what you like of what I've shown you today. As I said, I didn't get very much from the pre-order this time round, but I'd be happy to have a chat. Bye for now. My name's Elaine. I'll speak to you soon. I just want to say that the Happy Holidays is a bundle, so if you buy them both together, you get 10% off, and it's kind of worth it. You can make such a great, like I said, look at that punch. It does look great, doesn't it? And yeah, so I can't wait to make some Christmas cards with that. There's my July host code, minimum spend £20, and you can get a free gift. But as I said, if you spend £45, you can get some free items like paper and dies, you know.